Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is iOS Pro Hacker, and today I've got something super interesting for you. What if I told you that you can make your iPhones look exactly like the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max without spending over $1,000? Well, I found this crazy case on the internet. It's called the Original Glass Nano Matte Case, and honestly, it's unbelievable. So this case is made of real glass with a matte finish, and it even supports MagSafe wireless charging. It's designed for older iPhone models like 13, 14, 15, and 16 Pro Max. But once you put it on, boom, your phone literally transforms into an iPhone 17 look-alike. The camera layout, the reflective coating, even the futuristic design, all look 100% like the iPhone 17 we've been seeing. It took around 2 weeks to arrive from China, and the quality surprised me. It's not your average cheap plastic case. The glass feels premium, the edges are metallic, and it even has a soft inner lining to protect your phone. This right here is the Powlexa HD tempered glass for ultimate clarity and edge-to-edge protection. It's ultra clear, scratch-resistant, and buttery smooth to the touch. Fits perfectly even with that new case, and honestly, it just feels premium. So, if you want that clean iPhone 17 vibe with real protection, grab your Powlexa from the link below. Trust me, your screen will thank you for it.